Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode we are going to deal with PowerPoint, and we are going to put some list on our slide. And what kind of list that is? Unordered list, and that is exact name of function we are going to use. So first of all, you are going to import your officer library, then you are going to create some empty pptx document, and you are going to add one slide to this document. So now we are going to create that list we have been talking about. That is going to be unordered list. Make some space. So first argument is going to be a list of strings. Str list, and we are going to provide collection. So let's say title, subtitle 1, subtitle 2, title, let's say 05, and here I'm going to inject subtitle 01 and subtitle 02. You probably see where I'm going with this. So we are going to have a title, and under that title we are going to have subtitle 1, and under subtitle 1 we are going to have subtitle 01 and subtitle 02. Then after this subtitle 1 we are going to have subtitle 2, and in line with this title we are going to have title 05. So how to do that? For that purpose we are going to add another optional argument, level list, and now we are going to provide numbers. So if we type number 1 means that this first element is going to be at the top of this list. And if we provide number 2, this means that second element is going to be sub-element of first element. So we have subtitle 1 as sub-element of first element. So these 1 and 2 are fine. So in order to put this subtitle 01 under subtitle 1, we are going to provide number 3. And subtitle 2 is going to be under subtitle 1. So we need number 3 once again. Then we have subtitle 2 in line with subtitle 1. Then we are going to put number 2 in here, and at the end we have title 05. And title 05, it's same authority as title, so we are going to put 1 in here. And finally we are going to do some styling with function pptx. We are going to add some random color with this hashtag, like 12, 98 and A3, completely random. I have no idea what color is this. And let's say font dot size is going to be 25. And finally I'm going to put all of that together with ph width. First argument is going to be document, of course. Second is going to be value, and we are going to provide this unordered list. And third is going to be location. And for this purpose, we are going to provide function ph location type, and we are going to provide type of body. And I'm going to run this code. You see everything went well, and let me show you our result. Yeah, everything is fine. We have title, then we have subtitle 1, then we have subtitle 1 and 2, then subtitle 2, and finally title 05. So this works perfectly. That would be all. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya.